Okay, so this is going to be a very unprofessional video. I don't think I'm going to edit this, but this is mostly for my daughter who got me this kit as a gift. I want to see what's inside because it's not a plastic kit. It's different than a plastic kit. Let's see. So this is one of the Billy's doll houses, and it's all in Japanese. There's a whole series of these kits. This is the old school Japanese newsstand. Initially it's all Japanese writing. The little label here has some English. Billy Handmade Dollhouse. The dollhouse is cut off, ... Kit Shinbun-ya. It's a little English. A little English up here. Billy Company Limited, a telephone number. But La Maison. Is that how you would say that in French? It's French. Why is... I don't know. Top of the label, front and center, is French. Tiny bit of English, and mostly all Japanese. We'll take a look inside, and I have a feeling the instructions are in Japanese, but we'll see. I was initially worried about this bicycle. I'm like, well, not worried, but thought that'll be more work to put that together. It might be cool to put that together, but they don't hide anything. The back is clear, and the bicycle is already put together. Maybe I'll just tell people I did it. But mostly it's balsa wood. Slabs of balsa wood here is the bulk of the package. And something underneath. I don't know if it's foam or what, but we'll take a look. Here it goes. Okay. How is this connected? Scotch tape. Scotch tape. Jeez. So there's the bicycle. Nice. More French. Miniature collection. And then La Familia. Billy Company made in Taiwan. I don't know why there's French on there. I'm gonna have to find out. And evidently, we have lighting. We've got a battery pack and some paints. I don't know, paints or stains. Okay. I don't know why there's a bendy straw in here, but we got a bendy straw. These look like... These are all the newspapers. Yeah, so these will get you some fake newspapers, magazines, signs. Sumo wrestling, baseball, car ad, three-wheeler. Okay, that'll be fun. We'll have to curl them out and flatten them down. Those are going to look cool. Corrugated cardboard. Let's see if I can get my light out here. There we go. So corrugated cardboard. I think that's will be used for roofing material. Paper. More corrugated cardboard. A dowel. Here's that other, yeah, this is foam board. It's So we got foam board. This is way different than a plastic model kit. It's arts and crafts. Let's see if we can open this. I buried my knife. Get out the scalpel. Nice. So we got some flowers. And grass, moss, rocks. Yep. I was also thinking about in the picture has a bird sitting in the top of the telephone pole or telegraph pole. Maybe it's old. And look at this. We got the bird. It's one piece. I was thinking, wow, am I gonna have to make this bird out of paper? Nah, it's already built. Okay. Now I'll detach it and lose it. Where's the end of this? Here we go. Wow. Oh, here we go. I'm opening the wrong end. This tape is resisting a scalpel cut. You're kidding me. That's ridiculous. It's not even open. Alright. Use this tape when they operate on somebody and use it to seal up the scar. Here we go. And this is not balsa wood. This is like wood, probably pressed wood. Really heavy. Lots of pieces. Shapes, sizes. Some of the wood's a little different. That's nice wood. Really, it looks nice too. This is cool. Some other material I can't get to. There we go. All right. Rubber band, some thread, little pieces of wood. It's like a tablecloth, but I'm not. Well, maybe that's what it is. Hold on, let's see. I don't see that material anywhere. Oh, curtains. That's the curtains. Yeah, it's a dollhouse. Nice advertisement inside of all their other model kits. Billy Dollhouse Kits. Man, I got a few. All right. Well, we'll see how this one goes. Maybe we'll do a few others. Moment of truth. Ah! It's all Japanese. Get this open. Couple end game photos. Just the lighting. Battery pack into the lights. I imagine. No, maybe the lights were hanging down. Let's see. All Japanese. Now I had a Gundam kit and I went online and found somebody had put up a PDF of the instructions with the English below each blurb. So they had already translated it, so I'm wondering maybe somebody's done that for the Billy dollhouses. Yeah, and here's lights. So I guess the lights are hanging. Oh, that's outside. One light? Why don't it just be one light? It's like it's on the telephone pole. How to make the stacks of newspapers. Also, somebody has posted on YouTube videos of these builds. So I might check one of those out. But yeah, first I use Google Translate on my phone and snap each line. Get a translation of it on the phone. I can do that. But if somebody's already printed one out online, I'll try and grab that first. I am not going to learn Japanese. I had enough trouble learning German. So that's that. This is really cool. This would be a nice break. I like doing different, even when I'm doing plastic models kits. If I do a plane, then I don't want to do another plane. I'm done with planes for a while. I'll do a Frankenstein and maybe do a car and then ship. This is a big change. This is cool. And that's it. Billy's Dollhouse newspaper stand. Thanks to Ukala for this gift. I'll post some progress pictures or videos or something. Alright. Thanks for watching.